You are going to love the 2018 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window wiper, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, leather shift knob, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.